If you're seeing an itch.io download error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few quick fixes you can try right away to get your download working again. Whether the page is stuck, the file won't start, or the download keeps failing, these simple steps usually solve the problem fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software and gaming fixes. Let's get into it. First, the easiest fix is to refresh the page and try the download again. Sometimes itch.io just needs a quick reload, especially if the page timed out or the file didn't load properly the first time. So click back on the download button, wait a moment, and try again. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can interrupt the download before it even starts. If possible, make sure you're connected to a stable network before retrying. If your connection seems slow, you may want to wait a minute and try again once things are more stable. If you have other downloads running in the background, pause them for now. Too many downloads at once can slow everything down and sometimes cause one of them to fail. By freeing up bandwidth, you give the itch.io file a better chance to download successfully. Another very common fix is to clear your browser cache and cookies. Over time, stored browser data can cause pages to load incorrectly or make download buttons behave strangely. Clearing that data can refresh the site and remove any temporary glitches that might be causing the error. You should also try turning off your VPN if you have one enabled. Some download pages can be affected by VPN connections, especially if the site flags the traffic or the connection becomes unstable. After disabling the VPN, go back and try the download again. If none of those steps work, the issue may simply be temporary, so try again later. Sometimes the problem is on the site side, and waiting a little while can fix it without you needing to change anything else. A short delay in another attempt is often all it takes. So to recap, if your itch.io download is failing, refresh the page, click download again, check your internet, pause other downloads, clear your browser cache and cookies, turn off your VPN, and if needed, try again later. These quick troubleshooting steps solve most download errors without any complicated setup. If this video helped you fix the issue, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy how-to guides and troubleshooting tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.